Hey YouTube, Lizzie here, and I am the Discount Vegan. I make budget-friendly recipes that can fit into almost any budget. Today I thought we would do something a little bit different and try out a new product. Everyone keeps talking about pulled jackfruit. I've had it, I've been lucky to have it at restaurants, and it's been pretty dang amazing. Now, I have been lucky enough to actually find a can of jackfruit. It's not easy though, and I actually was in my local bulk barn and saw jackfruit that you had to work with, and then I saw this. This is organic jackfruit original shreds. Now, obviously, it's vegan. It's also Organic Canada, USDA organic, eco-certified vegan, of course, kosher, gluten-free, and GMO-free. And according to this, all you have to do is boil and then heat. That's it. So boil and then fry. Pretty simple, and it was a couple dollars less than one single can of jackfruit that you're gonna have to add to anyways. So let's try this out. I'm just going to open this up. Half of it wants to open, the other one doesn't. Well, that was great. There we go. So the one thing I really liked about this is that pretty much it looks like everything is recyclable. So your box, and then this is the ready-made jackfruit. This is literally the only thing you're gonna have to throw out. And I'm just gonna show you a close-up. Check this out. So this is pretty legit looking. Like, it looks like a marinated faux pork. Okay, so that was pretty amazing. So it says that it is a fibrous texture, versatile flavor. Obviously, it's original and very basic. Excellent source of vitamin B6, very high in fiber, source of magnesium, source of calcium, zero cholesterol, obviously, zero saturated and trans fats, and zero sugar. And under quality, they have organic, vegan, and kosher, gluten and soy free. So this is pretty much a option for almost anyone, and it looks really good. So let's head to the kitchen and cook it up, I'm going to be serving it on buns because pulled pork sandwich, pulled jack sandwich without the animal. So let's get to the kitchen and try this out.
So real simple, I'm just going to plop all this into a frying pan and heat it up. And of course, I'm a stickler for not wasting anything. So let's get this all scraped in there. Ooh, it looks interesting so far. And now just get the last little bits out of the bag so we can discard of that and get into heating this up so we can do what we do best, which is eat it. So basically, we're just, heating this through. That's all that really apparently needs to be done. And I think I'm gonna add in some barbecue sauce as well. But this just needs to be heated through for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, which is pretty quick and pretty simple.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like it's something. It still smells really fruity. Like it does kind of focus. Does kind of look like pulled pork a little bit. But let's try it on its own first. I'm just curious. This almost tastes like a pulled jack that I had at a restaurant near here. I had it on nachos though, but this tastes very similar to it. But now that we've tried that, let's try it on some buns.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest here. I'm only showing you this part because I want to show you how amazing these potato chive buns came out. They are so delicious, and I'm sure they are gonna be amazing with the pulled jackfruit. So I'm just going to be really simple and use what I have. I'm just going to put a little green leaf lettuce on there and then fill it with the jack. Okay, so I may be filling this a little too much, but I mean, come on. You kind of gotta. So that is all, and then I'm just going to put a little vegan mayo on the top of the bun, and we're just going to slap that on there. That looks pretty amazing.
Okay, so here it is, the jackfruit pulled pork from EcoIdeas. I did it just very simple. So I just have some nice crispy lettuce and I put it on a potato and chive bun. Let me know if you'd be interested in that recipe. And let's try this. It kind of just becomes a pate, doesn't it? It has a little bit of the texture that I'm used to from a pulled jackfruit. It's still Still kind of fruity though. Altogether though, this is really good. I think because I have made pulled jack in the past from just a can of jackfruit, I want to say that this is actually almost identical. I think it's pretty much the same thing. I put my own barbecue sauce on this as well, and it kind of just tastes like a little bit of a softer version of what I did. So considering my can of jackfruit, I think ended up costing me about not quite $6 when I finally found it a little while ago. I think that being said, this was pretty much the same price for, actually no, it was a couple dollars cheaper, for pretty much the same amount, and it kind of has come out the same way, but this one took a little less time to prepare. So there you have it. EcoIdeas Jackfruit, the original, is pretty good. I would probably get this again. If they have different flavors, I would probably try those as well. And yeah, I recommend this if you have trouble getting canned jackfruit, which I find my area is so hard to get. They just started getting jackfruit in syrup, just like since the beginning of this year. So this is pretty much my best bet anymore. So yeah, if you liked this video, this is my first taste test. If you like this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below. Is there something that you think is budget friendly that you would love to try out, but you're worried about wasting the money on something you might not like? Because that's always my problem. So I'm going to bite the bullet every chance I can and get those items when I see them to taste test them for you to see if they're worth the money. So definitely leave that comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. And don't forget, subscribe, and click that bell so you'll be notified of every single video I put out. I put out videos weekly, and I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Bye!